Hello everyone. Today the topic is phylum Platyhelminthes. This is also called as a flatworms. So here the organism is like a flat. Platyhelminthes rhyming flatworms. So mostly the Platyhelminthes all are the parasites. So here we have to know the general characters and special features and common name of the organisms. So Platyhelminthes are dorso-ventrally flattened body. That is why these are called flatworms. So dorsal side, ventral side is compressed and flat. That is why it is called as a flatworms. These are mostly endoparasite. Actually, these are all are parasites. P for Platyhelminthes, flatworms, parasites. Exclusively endoparasite. Endo means inside. So, inside the body of the host. That is called endoparasites. So, here the organ system level of organization is occur. So, previous all of the phylums are tissue level and also cellular level. But from this Platyhelminthes, organ system level of organization will be start. These are triploblasticans. Earlier phylums all are diploplastican. So that is why they are showing radial symmetry. TB here, triploblasticans showing bilateral symmetry. And these are acoelomates. Means the coelom is absent. Why? Because these are flat, dorsally, ventrally compressed. So here, for example, dorsal side, ventral side. So in this, there is no space. So these are compressed and look like a flat. That is why there is no coelom between this dorsal and ventral. That is why acoelomatic organisms. And pseudometamerism. Pseudo means false. For example, in the body of the organisms, there is no segments. That is why it is called pseudo. But it look like say metamers, but internally that is not divide any metamers. Metamers is nothing but segments. So that is called as a pseudometamerism, not true segmented body. And also incomplete digestive system means only single opening. Mouth is present, anus is absent. Hooks and suckers and even the rostellum are also present in the body of the organism to anchor in the host. Why? Because these are all are parasites. The parasites is placed in the host. In the host, it has a grip with the help of hooks and suckers for the anchoring on the host or in the host, on or in the host. And ladder-like nervous system is present. Nervous system is poorly development. This is very much important MCQ and even though 2 marks questions in the IP. What is the excretory organ in the Platyhelminthes? So in Platyhelminthes, the excretory organs are flame cells. Remember again, Platyhelminthes, flatworms, parasites, flame cells, all are rhyming. Flame cells, what is the function of flame cells? Means to osmoregulation and storage of excretion. These organisms are monoecious. Already I told mono, single. Here, single organism can produce the male gametes and female gametes. Means sexes are not separate. And the fertilization is internal. So, the development is indirect. Indirect development means it has a larval forms. In that, different type of larval forms are there. Miracidium, Sporocyst, Redia, Cercaria. And polyembryony. Poly means many. Many type of embryonic developments occur like this. So, in the MCQ, they may ask polyembryony seen in which phylum? Platyhelminthes, Cnidaria, Mollusca and different type of phylums in the options. So, polyembryony in the Platyhelminthes. And it has a high regeneration capacity. Means if the organism is cut, then again it will form a new organism, single itself and single itself. That has a regeneration capacity. Example, planaria. Planaria showing high degree of regeneration. This is also MCQ. Even though poriferans also having the regeneration capacity. Even in echinodermate also showing regeneration capacity. So remember which phylum, which organism is example for the regeneration. Example Fasciola, it is common name liver fluke, Cystosoma blood fluke, Taenia solium porkworm, Echinococcus granulosus dog tapeworm. So common names also very much important for the MCQ. So in overall rhyming, platyhelminthes, parasites, flatworms, flame cells, even though planaria, P for planaria, regeneration capacity. So this is the, and also P for pseudometamerism. Number of P's are present in the platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, flatworms, parasites, pseudometamerism and planaria. So these are the important features of platyhelminthes. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.